Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to transfer contacts from iPhone 17 to Google Pixel 10a. Let's have a look. For this video I am using iPhone 17 and Google Pixel 10a. Right now I don't have any contacts in my Google Pixel. To transfer contacts from iPhone, first open Phone app on iPhone. From bottom menu, go to Contacts. Now tap arrow button on top left and you will see all contacts. Tap and hold on all contacts and tap Export. Tap blue tick sign on top right and the pop-up menu select AirDrop. Now on your Pixel phone, open Quick Settings panel. Just swipe down from top of the screen and tap Quick Share. When Quick Share open, tap three dots on top right and tap Settings. Tap Who can share with you and turn on Visible to nearby devices and also select Everyone for 10 minutes. When everyone for 10 minutes selected, you will see your Pixel device name on your iPhone AirDrop list. Tap on the name on iPhone and tap Accept on Pixel phone. When transfer done, tap Open. Choose your device for Pixel phone and finally tap Import. All contacts.vcf will be imported shortly. Go back to Contacts app on Pixel phone and here you will see all contacts transferred from iPhone. So these are the steps to transfer contacts from iPhone 17 to Google Pixel 10a. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.